Hello everyone, it's David from Southside Detail. Check it out. We have this gorgeous red 1970 Pontiac Lemans. I did a full polish on it. The paint's looking gorgeous. It's prepped, it's ready to go. So I'll be adding now the coating for it, the ceramic coating to the paint. I'll be using Gtechniq C1 crystal lacquer. So that's going to do a good job at protecting it for 3 years of paint from any dirt or staining. I'll show you my process of how I apply it. So I'm going to do a quick section here in the hood and show you how I apply it. So I got this applicator pad. I recommend it from AUTOFIBER. I already got the cap off the Gtechniq coating. So it's got a nice little dispenser. So you just pour some on the top here. So that's a good amount. Check it out. So now it's ready to go to be applied to the paint. I got my applicator here. It's got some coating already on it. So let's go ahead and apply it. Let's go in lines like this. Just work a small section. So that's good right here. This crosshatch real quick. And I can start to see the coating. And when it starts to sweat, that means it's ready to be wiped off. All right, check it out. See that? It's been about 15-20 seconds. It's starting to sweat up, so it's a nice warm day today, so it's a good time to coat it. It'll flash pretty quick. Just wipe off. You use 3 towels. The first initial application, you just want to make sure you pick up most of that coating. Alright, grab a second towel. Look at that, you already see the added gloss and I can feel the slickness. Feels incredible. Then add get a third towel. Just make sure you didn't push into any adjacent panels so you don't get any high spots. You don't make any more work for yourself later. Alright, check it out. Beautiful, deep red, gloss red look to it. That easy to coat your car. I'm going to do the same thing on the rest of the car. It's going to come out looking really sweet. Let me know what you thought of the video. Like and subscribe. Again, this was David from Southside Detail. Thank you for watching.